Look out, folks, because here comes
the dax-e.
The following movie is rated I.
Well, Raven, you are dusty. Oh my god. I guess I better clean you off quick, huh? Dirty, dirty girl.
That's what she said.
See if the battery's gonna be any good after sitting for, what, 5 months or so? See how that lithium battery holds up. Hopefully better than the acid-filled battery that I had in there from stock. Then we're gonna take a ride to Vonzy's. He's got one of those new DAX e-bikes straight from Japan. I definitely want to check this thing out. Here goes nothing. No way. That's right, Raven. Check the air pressures. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I'm gonna have to give you an official bath. Maybe when we get back. Some of this stuff is on there. Yeah, you need a real bath. Nice day. Vitacci out on a Raven again. Looks like it's going to take us about 21 minutes. Not too bad. Jeez, am I run out of gas? Oh, half choke. Look at that. That was okay. Didn't have them stupid rubber band tires on it. Found a few little side trails I want to check out on this. Don't know if we'll get them done today. Yeah, so I was talking with Brad. Didn't talk to Kirby yet, but we love Trailer Park Boys so much I told him we should do a little skit called China Bike Boys. I know Brad don't have a China bike, but he'll have to ride one. Maybe he'll end up buying one as a second bike. I was going a little fast there. Interstate Commercial Driving School. If it wasn't so bumpy, we'd take that way. This is still working good too. Got my shorts and wife beater, custom wife beater. Back down to 35. 45. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my electrical inspection to release the final part of the garage build. Taking a bit longer than what I expected. Well, they kind of didn't put in for the permit till, let's just say it was late. So my wife likes that little Magicycle Deer Mini. Fits her perfectly. So if you guys are having the same issues that my wife did, they say it'll do a 4'10" to 6'3" or something like that. But yeah, my wife's just under 5 feet and she would be barely touching her tiptoes sitting on the seat. She'll probably raise the seat up as she learns to ride a little better, but it's good to have a nice low seat, especially if you're new to e-bikes because of that little throttle lag. Oh, well, keep her on the road. No blinkers. Oh, if I didn't have GPS, I'd get lost in here. Most definitely. Oh, there's the power lines again. Well, if I find that, then I know I won't get lost. We are here. Hey, Vonzy. That's pretty sharp. I like that. That's all that front is a battery?
Yeah.
Where that compartment is?
Yeah. Reasonably good tires.
Look like almost the tires that came on like the little Groms and stuff, huh?
Yeah. Right now it's off. And when it's off, it's in theft protection mode by default. So if I pick it up and do anything, it locks
Oh, look at that.
out. You can't move it.
Oh, wow. That's pretty neat.
To start the thing, you basically have that's the key for the battery box.
Okay.
Okay, but this is a little tag.
Like an NFC?
Yeah, NFC tag. It says Honda on it. I haven't taken it out of the package yet. I'm afraid it would get scratched up.
Huh.
But anyways, you just basically touch it here. There's a little symbol.
Yeah.
And now the dashboard comes on. It's in park mode.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And what you have to do, I'm going to leave the kickstand down intentionally. You touch the brake, and now it goes in drive mode, and the speedometer works, and it has an 8-bar battery charge thing.
Nice.
Okay, now if I go to go, it's not going to go.
Okay.
It has a kickstand switch. So if I put up the kickstand, now it's in drive mode, and off it goes.
That's torquey, huh?
Yeah, it really goes fast, yeah.
You almost pulled the wheel off the ground.
Twist throttle.
Oh, nice, yeah.
This is cruise control.
Oh, okay.
Right here. This is the shut off. You push it and it shuts off and it goes back into theft mode. I mounted this cell phone holder. This is what Honda sells in Thailand. It's called H2C. It's the Honda.
And it has controls.
Yeah.
Like a motorcycle.
Yeah. You got turn signal, high and low beam, and
horn.
horn. Yeah. Well, the horn's not going to work unless it's on.
Yeah, I like it. How fast you get it going?
27 miles an hour pretty easily.
Nice.
On level ground.
And that's the modified version.
I paid $100 to get the long seat. When
Yeah.
you look at them on the web, they have a little tiny seat.
Mm-hmm.
And then part of the $100 was getting a de-restricted controller. The speedometer's reading in kilometers.
Right, right.
And when you first start it up, it says kilometers.
I saw that.
And I don't know if it's got. I can't get the app to work. When you go, the
all just
speedometer stops
kilometers.
at 25.
Oh,
No
wow.
matter how fast you're going, the speedometer reads 25 km.
Yeah.
And that's basically 15 miles an hour. So the one that is restricted goes 15 miles an hour. And so I put my phone here with the GPS, and I use that as the speedometer.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
So you can also shut it off by just doing that or that shut-off switch. But either way, it's going to go into theft mode.
That looks good from the back, too. Yeah, it looks just like an e-scooter,
Yeah.
except it has pedals, so, you know,
Yeah.
it's an e-bike.
Yeah, and it has a chain drive for the pedals, but that's all.
Oh, I
And
see.
if I'm pedaling, I can make it go about 2 miles an hour.
Just enough to make it an e-bike, that's
Yeah.
all. Oh, it's got adjustable rear shock on it, too. Yeah, nice.
And so what I've done so far, the mirrors are these are the correct mirrors, but they're sold as an option. So I unpacked those and I mounted those. There's a little bar up here that says Honda on it. That doesn't come with it. I got that from China. This is just a regular Army Molly bag.
Yeah.
And I like to be
Good
able to carry
idea.
cheeseburgers and ham sandwiches and things like that.
And dog
also,
treats,
yeah,
right?
I got dog treats in here. I don't go anywhere without dog treats.
Wow, Scooby snacks.
So right now, we're going to take a break and have lunch. But what I'm doing is I'm installing, this is the front rack. And this is sort of makes it obvious why the
You got the
gauge had to be raised,
Yeah.
right. Well, this is just going to go on clips here like that.
Okay.
But you can see that
Oh.
anything sitting on here,
You cover your
you
gauge.
cover the gauge, right?
Yeah.
So now with that up there, then I can mount anything up here. That's basically what I'm trying to do.
Oh, okay.
So this little bag is going to,
Yeah, fork bag.
this is going to end up on the front rack here under the speedometer, about like that. Rear bag kits, mounting brackets and all that. So
Yeah, 2 bags, soft bags.
yeah, 2 soft bags. These are the mounting brackets. They're just the same quality as this. They're
Okay.
just one for each side, and they fold underneath the seat.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's gonna look sharp. We're gonna take it for a ride, boys.
Bottom line here is cruise control, and don't hit that.
That shuts it off.
Shuts it off.
And we're off. It's a cute little gauge. Oh yeah, we're booking. That's pretty close to 30 miles an hour right there for sure. Feels like a maybe 500 watt hub on the back. But it's got a good amount of speed. Oh, got a knee dragger here, boys. Top speed. There we go. It's a little bit of a hill. Yeah, that's about a 500 watt motor on here. I'll have to try the pedals. I'll try it here. Yeah, he's right. And it's not pedal assist, so you give a little bit of gas. I guess if you pedal like crazy. Those pedals are tiny. I guess you could go 16 kilometers, so what's that, like 6 miles an hour? Suspension isn't really that bad. Suspension is pretty good. Yeah, this thing books right along. Yeah, we're doing about 28, 29 right here. I like it. I have to see what size battery's in this. Here's another hill. Yeah, I'd say it's got a 500 watt hub in it. Brakes work nice.
Got a lot of plastic rattle.
Is that this?
Yeah, I should have put that so you could see how fast you were going.
Oh, it was this rattling? Yeah. I could tell just by speed it was 30 miles an hour. Yeah, that stopped. I like they put the front brake here. Unlike the e-bikes, they reverse these and this rear cable.
Yeah, this is exactly the way the Honda motorcycles are. Same layout, same everything.
High and low. Oh, light on and off. Is that on? Yeah, I could see it's dimming it and it's saying the headlight's coming on. It's probably like you said, that connector might have pulled out a little. Well, at least you know now if it's dark out.
Yeah, well, I probably don't ride it in the dark.
Never know, you get stuck somewhere.
Yeah, I had to remove all the strain relief and everything. It was pretty hard. Let me start.
Doesn't that ring come on when it's on too normally? The blinkers worked.
Yeah.
Thanks for lunch.
Yeah, thanks for coming over.
Talk to you later. Well, that was pretty cool. Definitely very cool. You don't want none. The Subaru don't want none, see? Huh? Huh? Oh, Dodge wants some now too? I like the other way better. All back roads. Oh man, I should have went up. I can't. I got a guard up in there. I was gonna say I'll go up in there. Coming along. New plaza. Oh, I was wondering what that beeping was before. That must have been a car coming up close behind me. I turned that on but never tested it. Yeah. We're Florida Turnpike, Sunshine Parkway or whatever, coming through. What the heck is that written in Chinese? Or Japanese. Something written in Japanese. It must be a Toyota. No buffalo on this end. Good ride, Raven. Good ride.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.